Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bagaimana kabarnya bosku? Semoga berada dalam keadaan sehat walafiat. Selamat bertemu lagi dengan channel 3R Studio. Pada hari ini Kamis tanggal 14 April tahun 2022, kita berada di Terminal Bandara Solok bosku, memantau keberangkatan bus Sumbar menuju perantauan Jakarta dan sekitarnya. Terlihat NPM Firkansa 60 Le Mersing berangkat menuju perantauan Jakarta dan sekitarnya. Di belakang NPM Le Mersing menyusul keberangkatan Gumarang Jaya menuju Jakarta, Bogor, Depok, Tangerang, Bekasi. Berikutnya meninggalkan Terminal Bandara Solok menuju Jakarta Bandung, NPM Sultan Class Firkansa 69 Casanova. ANS dengan julukan Permata menuju Jakarta Bandung. Di belakang ANS Permata ada Gumarang Jaya. Dari kejauhan terlihat MPM Mutia Putri Mulia memasuki Terminal Bandara Solok. Persiapan keberangkatan menuju Jakarta dan sekitarnya MPM Eksadulur. Dan kedatangan MPM Eksadulur juga disambut oleh persiapan keberangkatan menuju Jakarta Bandung MPM lainnya. Dan ternyata MPM Eksadulur sekarang berganti gelar menjadi Joker bosku. Kita lihat sedang dilakukan pemasangan merek Joker, Z Joker di MPM Exadulu.
You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the night getting. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, hear them scream, okay, it's a dream. And I pray as a team, one day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today, for a minute. I don't stay, I just visit, have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now, best of me now, best of me now, best of me. They want the best of me now. Swear to God, man, I'ma make it soon. Silence all the haters as they see us making moves. I do what I want, so I got nothing to prove. Staying motivated, teaching others what to do. I'm staying focused, my mind is open. They start to notice that I'm in motion. There is no potion, you're not just chosen. It takes devotion to stay composed, man. Never stop, there ain't no time to fall. Try to live, get it all, you got one life to ball. Thinking big, never small, cause you gotta want it all. When you finally get that call, you get ready, take it on. Need a handout, I already stand out. Starting to advance now, ready to expand now. You don't have a chance now, cause we're in demand now. Make it by the grand now, feeling in command now. They're looking right at me to see if I succeed, to see if I believe. They're looking up to me. They want the best of me now, best of me now.
Setelah selesai pemasangan stiker Joker, para penumpang mulai menaiki bus MPM Joker untuk segera berangkat menuju Jakarta Bandung, bosku. MPM dengan julukan Joker meninggalkan Terminal Pada Solok menuju Jakarta Bandung.